Hello everyone. So today we will see how to install Drone Designer Community Edition in your laptop or PC. So I'm at the website. At the download section there is a folder called software. Click on it and there is Wasp3D Drone Designer Community Edition. Now there are a few posts here and the guide is at this post, so click on it. Minimum requirements are these and recommended requirements are these. You can see for yourself, go through it. Now there is a few things you have to do before installing, one of which is to install SQL Server. So there is a link for that at this post. Click on it. So this will allow you to download SQL Server. Now these are the installation instructions for it. Next one is the installer itself, so you can get it from here. Now click on download, and the material library is in this post, so click on it, and license updater is here, so click on download. Now I've already downloaded these softwares. I placed it here, see. So let's start. First of all, install MySQL Server. Okay, the SQL Server software is extracting itself in this folder. Now let's see what the official guide says. Go back, SQL Express. So we did that. Now click on it. So click and wait. Now it says to accept the terms, and these are the settings, I believe. Okay, next. I won't check this. Okay, looks similar. Now here, see, we will press next and uncheck those. So data engine, application, and connectivity. Next. Now we will name it Wasp3D CE. Wasp3D CE. Click next. In the server configuration window, service account tab, you can select the service account for the SQL Server actions. Change the SQL Server browser to automatic in startup type column. Click next. Okay, so it's automatic now. Next. Now here I will click on mixed mode, so, and set the password BSys. So BSys. Okay, then I think press next. And wait for it to finish. This should be the output, so let's see. I'll fast forward here. So if everything goes well, you should see this output. Now press close. Next, click on Wasp3D Drone Designer Community. Run as administrator. And let's see what the installation guide says. So then it will install a few things like C++, then common controls, playout components, and runtime environment. These will install automatically. Now these will install automatically when I press install. Click on it and wait for it to finish. Click on yes. Now click accept and click on next. Click next. As we can see, the C++ has failed, so I don't think it would create any problem because 2013 is installed. Let's see and find out what do we have to do. Now it's installing playout component. Click on finish. So I'm getting this warning, this app can't run on this device. Add enhanced sentinel data, filter device driver, safenet.in to continue reboot your computer, then the application install. So I will restart my computer and we will see what happens after that. Now press close. Now actually it's doing something. Let's wait and see. We got some errors during the installation. So this is the password where what we set on the SQL server. It was pieces. So I will type actually select the SQL server name and enter correct credentials. Username should be SA and specified password you had specified during SQL installation, which was basis. Then I click connect. Connection is successful. We will name it Wasp3D CE. Okay, and click create. Then press OK. Okay, then press OK. And again OK and close. Okay, so it is asking me to reboot the system, so I will do that and come back. So I'm back. Now click on the drone designer icon and see. Oh, so I think it has not installed completely. So anyways, we can try again. Click on Wasp3D, run as administrator and start installing. Now it's only one. Okay, that was the error, C++ 2012. So it will install again. Try to install it again. So click install and let's see if it. Okay, I will click repair, choose repair and click next. Now it's reinstalling the drone designer and it is asking me to restart the PC again, so I will do this and come back. I'm back. Let's click on the icon of drone designer again. Let's see, sentinel key not found. What could be the problem? Again, let's see. The Sentinel server runs on the port, it's on 1947. Let's check, and it's not running. It's not installed either. Anyways, so we can try installing this. Open. Let's wait. It's doing something. Okay, it has installed. Let's see, and it's running. 90-day trial, I think, and it's not started. So now click on the drone designer icon again. I will run it as an administrator. You can see it has started and it will end on February. Click on it again. Okay, now it's doing something. It's not starting actually. I will be restarting my system again and come back after that and see what happened. So I'm back and let's click again. No, it doesn't work. So let's try to install the Drone Designer Community Edition again. The C++ 2012 is still missing. So I click on install and it says it failed. I've gone ahead and downloaded the installer myself from the Microsoft website. So I will click on both of these. It's 64-bit version and it's 86. I don't know what will work, but let's try first the 86 one, because it was required. Okay, setup was successful. Now if we see and click on drone designer, what happens? Okay, it's preparing to install. This time it didn't ask me to install the C++ library because we have installed it by ourselves. So as you can see, the installation process is very tedious and doesn't work every time. Now we click repair and let it install. Okay, this time I won't restart and try without restarting first, because installed and restarted several times. No, it doesn't work. So I will restart and try again. So I'm back. Now let's click on Wasp3D icon. And it doesn't work again. What if I click on the string server icon? And it works. So I'm not sure why the drone designer not open. Let's restart the drone designer again. So click on the icon and run as administrator. Click yes and install the common controls and component, layout component. Now the dependencies have installed. It is starting to install drone designer itself. Wait for it to come back again. Okay. As you can see, the icons have appeared and it's now installing data pack, layout scripts, etc. Will it work or not? I'm not sure, but let's give it a try. The password is for the SQL server is what you have said before, so it was bsys, and wait for the SQL server to retrieve the details. Now here it is. Click on it. Username is SA and password is bsys. Click connect and it's connected. This is the database I've created previously, but I will create the new one named Wasp and click OK. It's done now and OK, then close. Wait for it to reappear again. It asking me to restart the system, but I will try the software without restarting, and if it doesn't work I will restart. Finish. Click on the string server, I think first, and let's see will it work. Okay, as you may see the server is running. I will close it and it should work, but I'm not sure. See, now it's working. I've installed it before, but it doesn't work, so I removed it and then reinstalled it again. Now it's doing something, so I think it is going to work this time. Okay, I'll allow it. Now we will wait. So I think you have to install it and then uninstall it, then install it again, so this works. I'm not sure why, but it does. See, then this is weird, because if I enter my details and log in, it will not do anything. I think that login system is broken or something. So what I would do, disable the internet. It will show me the opportunity to cancel it, otherwise I won't be able to access it. So I have to be offline, I guess. I will click on cancel, and here it is. Here it is, the Drone Designer Community Edition. See the about section, it's CE and 3.9. Open. It's fresh install, so it doesn't have anything, and it also don't have the material library for the designer. So we will install this next. To do that, come back to the folder and install the material library as an administrator. X drive is not found. So before that, you have to create a virtual drive or map a network drive as an X. So what I will do is create a network drive from here somewhere. Actually, where is this? Okay, map a network drive letter is X, and browse the folder what I want to share. So you see, at this point I don't have any shared location. So what I will do is go to the drive where I want to create my data, as in my C drive or any other drive. I will go for C drive and create a folder, name it x_drive. You can name it anything, and right click, properties, go to sharing, press share, and click on everyone, add, and give it read write access. Okay, now it's shared as array PC and X drive. Okay, done. It's in // PC at X drive. So I will copy that and I will go ahead and paste it here and choose the letter X and click finish. So what it would do, it will create an virtual drive named X, and this folder drive and this folder is same. As you can see, if I create a folder here, it will also create here. Now we can install the material library. So if we click on it, click yes, and click next, install. So what it is doing is to creating the folder at the X drive here and placing them some images and textures there. You can see, and I will click finish. We'll restart the drone designer again. We just have to wait, and as you can see, actually you can't see, but I'm offline. So if I click login, the cancel button will appear. Now I will click cancel. It's strange, but somehow it only works without the internet connection, because I can't log in to their server. I have to turn off the internet. As you may see, the library should have some textures. Now you can create the, double click and create the cubes, torus, triangle, rectangle, whatever it is, and cylinder, sphere. And so I think we are successful in installing the drone designer. It takes multiple tries to install it, so do not let down yourself, and if it doesn't work, uninstall it and install again and again and again. It should work in 2 or 3 tries, I think. Well, see you in the next video, and we will learn about the interface and other basic things in upcoming videos. Thank you.